Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said on Monday that the Chinese companies working under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor have contributed immensely towards Pakistan's industrial promotion in various walks of life. The Prime Minister made the remarks while addressing an awards ceremony honoring the contribution of Chinese companies operating in Pakistan under the CPEC.
It's really a great opportunity for me to have met all of you here who have really contributed immensely towards Pakistan's industrial promotion in various walks of life. And your contribution has not only led to job opportunities and industrial production, but it has further strengthened our brotherly and economic ties.
The Prime Minister noted that two countries have recently celebrated the 10th anniversary of CPEC under the Belt and Road Initiative, a very innovative vision of the Chinese leadership.
Now we are entering into the second phase of CPEC, which is Green Corridor, which is innovation, which is IT Corridor, which is special economic zones. Of course, all this will be now undertaken under a different model, and that is between B2B, business to business. Of course, under the umbrella of Chinese government and the government of Pakistan.
Pang Chunxue, chargé d'affaires of the Chinese embassy in Pakistan, said at the ceremony that CPEC has made outstanding contributions to the socio-economic development of Pakistan.
Thanks to the joint efforts of China and Pakistan in various fields, including the 29 companies and institutions awarded today, CPEC has made outstanding contributions to the local economic and social development, and it became a distinctive symbol of China-Pakistan cooperation and the pilot project of the Belt and Road Initiative.
Launched in 2013, CPEC is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, highlighting energy, transport, and industrial cooperation.